Doesn't matter what field of science I'm going to go into or what profession I am, I'm going to ask myself, how can I use AI to do my job better?
Because they'll have learned from all the novels that were ever written, all the books by Machiavelli.
Is AI just helping humans get this done, or is it eventually replacing humans?
Today, let's talk about AI. Rewind to the 60s, mathematician Irving John Gould, colleague of Alan Turing, dropped down warning. Artificial intelligence would experience an explosive intellectual revolution, surpass humanity, and completely reshape society. Later scientists and sci-fi writers call this event a technological singularity. Once we cross that line, there's no going back. 1.5 centuries later, the singularity seems to be breathing down our necks. Tech billionaires are sounding apocalyptic alarms or selling utopian visions, and scientists are channeling their inner Oppenheimer, warning us about AI and robot threats. Geoffrey Hind, Nobel Prize winner for his contribution to machine learning, compared AI to a baby tiger cub. In the long run, if we can control it, we better make sure it likes us. At this year's Consumer Electronics Show in January, Elon Musk dropped a mind-bending fact in an interview. To train AI, humans have already fed the sum total of all books and internet knowledge. Now, AI is generating new knowledge on its own, breaking through knowledge boundaries with synthetic data. Musk predicts that within next 3 to 4 years, AI would handle all cognitive work except tasks involving physical manipulation. And that's where robotics becomes a key issue. AI doesn't need to think behind the screen or in data centers. It needs to get its hand dirty. That's why NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang declares next era belongs to the physical AI, embodied intelligence. Looking back at the past 2 years, AI's virtual breakthroughs have been coming at us non-stop. But when it comes to embodied intelligence, Unitree CEO Wang Xinxin noticed at the recent 2025 World Robot Conference that while the robotics industry has seen stunning growth this year, intelligent robots' biggest challenge now and in the future is still the need for large embodied intelligence model. NVIDIA's Jensen Huang is more optimistic, saying robotics will have its ChatGPT moment. Now let's look at the major players in the race, roughly distributed on the two sides of the Pacific. America leads established technologies and patent accumulation, and China excels at rapid implementation and application. Speaking of American progress in intelligent robotics, you can't ignore NVIDIA's secret weapon, the virtual training environment. Here's an example. Want to know how to make spaghetti? Virtual AI can quickly master a recipe, but actually cooking